Discount bodybuilding supplements have proven very popular in recent years. However, there are certain rules that must be followed when you buy discounted bodybuilding supplements. This article will discuss important issues when purchasing discount supplements. Newcomers to bodybuilding are often tempted to buy cheap bodybuilding supplements that help them in their weight-building target and, at the same time, reduce their costs. Like many things, you get what you pay for, and many discount bodybuilding supplements do not live up to their expectations. Finally, there are some precautions that must be followed when buying cheap bodybuilding supplements. Buying these dietary supplements can be harmful to your well-being as there are often inferior standards and quality controls in place. For best results, it's important not to sacrifice quality for price. One way to save money but retain quality is by purchasing your bodybuilding supplements in bulk. Many companies offer a reduced price if bulk purchases are made, and this is a good way to ensure you get a quality product at a reasonable price.